Singer Kanika Kapoor got married to businessman Gautam Hathiramani on Friday. The couple tied the knot in an intimate ceremony attended by family and close friends at a 5-star hotel in London. The bride and the groom chose pastel shades for the special occasion. Pictures and videos from the ceremony shared by their friends on their Instagram accounts reveal details of the ceremony. Kanika looked pretty as ever in an embellished lehenga, while Gautam wore a matching sherwani. These are the photos that Kanika Kapoor shared from her pre-wedding pictures, and they are all things pretty. Kanika Kapoor was previously married to Raj Chandok, with whom she has 3 kids, Ayana, Samara, and Yuvraj. They got divorced in 2012. She stepped into the music circuit with Dr. NYOOOZ track Jugni Ji. NYOOOZ Desk.